We are now inside of the ClickFunnels dashboard, and we are going to head to this right-hand corner, and we're now going to work with the account settings. And so to do that, we're going to click Account Details. Now, if you intend to use ClickFunnels by itself and you're going to send people to the landing pages that you create, and you're not going to mask them with a particular domain, you're going to want to set up some kind of identity. And you want to make this a branded identity, and that branded identity will carry the ending clickfunnels.com. So you can change that in this section. Once you do that, you'll then click Save. Now, the profile and password information will be boilerplate and standard wherever you would be filling that information out. You will want to fill out your particular time zone, and you'll just want to find your place in the world. Once you do that, you'll then click Save. Now, if you want to earn from people clicking on your ClickFunnels banners, then you'll want to leave your affiliate ID in this area. You'll want to make sure that your ClickFunnels affiliate badge is on by default. That means that when people are clicking on your banners where they see your pages, you will then be credited as an affiliate. Now, lastly, you have a WordPress API key. You'll be using this when you integrate both WordPress and ClickFunnels. For now, we're not going to expand this area because this is going to be a key that you're not going to want to give to anyone. And so you'll just want to make sure that you remember that this API key is here in your account settings. Now, if you want to track your billing information, you can do it from this part of your dashboard. You'll click Account Billing, and then you'll be able to see which plan you're going to be on. You'll also be able to see your payment information and any invoices that you have had through ClickFunnels. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.